Hi guys, good morning. The ladies would tell us we have the traditional about áo dài, and then you give us information that the school in Vietnam, the girls will wear áo dài some days in the week. So today, our topic is quite difficult. We need to think a lot about that one. But okay, we pass it, and then so. In every country, every province in Vietnamese will have the really popular school. For example, in Cần Thơ City, we have Châu Văn Liêm High School. In Nam Định, we have Lê Hồng Phong High School. It's a top 5 of really famous school in Vietnam. And the things that every girls in that school must to wear áo dài each days. So that one. In 2014, the really popular designer in Vietnam named 𝐏𝐸 he started to have the building about áo dài museum. So do you know why he built that kind of architecture? I think that he built that architecture to help us to keep all of the traditional clothes like this. The place with more than 300 kinds of traditional clothes áo dài in there to show up everyone about our Vietnamese traditional, to talk about our proud and our kindness from Vietnamese people. So let's get inside. My team's mate will tell you what is inside.
Áo dài Museum located at 30 Long Thuận, Long Bình in District 9 in Ho Chi Minh City. And I do say it's Thủ Đức City.
And in here, tourists can also rent áo dài to experience or take the picture in here, and or can be guided in detail to make their áo dài.
Áo dài Museums is a wonderful place for experiencing Vietnamese cultures. And if you have the opportunity to visit here, don't forget to take the photo shoot, pose with áo dài, with the backdrop of its charming architecture. It's very beautiful.
Okay, so I believe that now in here, no too much body was have a chance to come to áo dài Museum. So can we look at this picture? We are draw a little draw about this place, the museum, and the easy thing that we can see, the biggest thing in here is the lake. Beside that, we have a lot of trees inside around the lake, and then we have a lot of house in there. But we will have the biggest house. In that house, they will have a lot of clothes, a lot of áo dài in there. Yes. So if we have a chance, do you want to come to this place?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just want to say in Vietnam there are many famous or dishes. So I hope through our research station you will have more knowledge about our museum. So let's together research and promote the good values of our teachers in Vietnam. So thank you so much.